What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about DCL transmitter disconnected, but my controller's plugged in, bro. What's happening? That man really should not have a katana that close to him, or at all for that matter. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your DCL. So let's launch and get our super fun loud intro. Make sure your controller's turned in the on position. You're going to want to take your USB-C, plug it into your controller, and if it still says throttle down, what you're going to want to do, which usually fixes this for me 99% of the time, is click on escape. Make sure you have your SIM profile set up on your controller. I'll do another video on that very soon. Go to controls and click on transmitter calibration. Now we should see nothing. Great. Oh, because I haven't selected USB, so I'm going to select USB on my controller. Let's back out, back again. It should show up. There it is. And if you're ever having trouble and you know all your stuff set up properly and you're like, why is this breaking? Sometimes it'll just bug out. I don't know why, but this fixes it. So if you had your controller connected, let's say yesterday, and you come into the simulator and for some reason you go to plug it in and it's just not recognizing it, click on escape, go to controls, go to transmitter calibration, move your sticks around a little bit, and then exit. And then when you come back, you should have control of your controller. Voila! If you like this video, don't forget to smash those buttons. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be answering any and all questions in the comments as well as in future videos. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. And as always, stay happy, stay positive, stay motivated.